When people decide to watch your YouTube video, do you honestly think they always read the title first? Nope. Most of the time, what actually stops that rapid scroll is the thumbnail image that catches their eye. That tiny visual element often decides whether they click through or simply keep moving past your hard work. So if you poured hours into editing a fantastic long-form piece, you absolutely cannot let a weak thumbnail cause it to get ignored. We are going to walk through exactly how to craft thumbnails that truly stop the scroll in their tracks. I will also show you a workflow pairing Canva with a trick using Vizard to rapidly repurpose long videos into short clips with matching thumbnails. Stick with me until the end because I have a free resource to help you scale this entire content creation process efficiently. And if you enjoy practical step-by-step advice like this, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell immediately. I'm Jeannie Wilson, and I coach entrepreneurs on getting real, measurable results from their video marketing efforts. I love YouTube because it's a platform to showcase knowledge and an incredible search engine for organic discovery, but only if people actually watch your content. Okay, let's jump right into the first critical step. Your thumbnails must be bright and genuinely bold to stand out. Effective thumbnails use strong contrast, feature easily readable large text, and absolutely incorporate a human face. People instinctively connect with clear expressions, think shock, disgust, or a pumped-up grin, as these images make viewers pause. When recording your main video, make sure to capture a few still photos of yourself wearing the same outfit and hair for consistency.
Try shooting a handful of expressions like happy, shocked, confused, angry, and curious to see which reads best when shrunken down later.
Now we move into the practical steps inside Canva, noting where pro upgrades can slightly ease your path, though the free version works great. First, create the correct canvas by clicking Create a Design and selecting the standard YouTube thumbnail preset for perfect sizing. For the background, I like something contextual that doesn't fight for attention with your main subject, perhaps a brand-matching color gradient. A pro trick is using a photo from your video, placing it inside a phone frame element, rotating it dynamically, and reducing its transparency. Next, upload your headshot and use the background remover effect, which is surprisingly solid for saving a ton of time. After cleaning up any stray hairs, drop that cutout onto the canvas, size the face to be legible even when tiny, and immediately lock it in place. Create depth by duplicating your background frame, placing one copy behind your hands if you use a mockup, and keeping another as a faint texture. Play with the position tool and transparency settings to ensure everything feels beautifully layered instead of just flat on the screen. For the text, keep it extremely short. 3 to 5 words is the absolute sweet spot for a quick visual hook. Avoid overly decorative or scripted fonts because they look cute, but become completely unreadable when the thumbnail shrinks. Use a heavy, simple sans-serif font, then increase the size and carefully reduce the line height if the words feel too airy. Use all caps sparingly, because while they read fast, they can sometimes give off an overly shouty and aggressive vibe. Make that text really pop by adding an outline or a splice effect so the words remain readable against any background. In Canva's effects, use your brand color for the outline and keep the inner fill white or a light tint, adding a subtle drop shadow for depth. Alternatively, place the text on a solid colored shape like a rounded rectangle to create a strong blockout contrast behind it. Group the text and its background shape together so they move cohesively as one unit when you make final adjustments to the layout. A strategically placed arrow or small burst graphic can effectively direct the viewer's eye exactly where you want it to go. But be careful not to overdo it. Usually just one arrow pointing toward your face or the main mockup is sufficient. When the placement looks perfect, lock your main components like the face, background frames, and text group before downloading as a high-quality PNG file. Always test your final export by shrinking the image down on your screen to confirm that it remains completely readable at true thumbnail size. This is where Vizard integrates perfectly, and why I love pairing it directly with this Canva thumbnail workflow for maximum efficiency. If you have a long asset like a webinar or a deep tutorial, Vizard can analyze that content and automatically select the most watchable short clips. It extracts these moments into ready-to-post short videos and can even handle the scheduling across all your platforms for you. This means for every short clip you generate, you instantly need a matching thumbnail, which Vizard makes easier by providing exact timestamps and frames. You export that still frame or pick one Vizard suggests, drop it into Canva, and rapidly build dozens of cohesive thumbnails in a single batch session. Let's briefly check other tools. Editors like Clipchamp, Capwing, or Adobe products let you export frames, but they come with trade-offs. Some are too pricey for simple repurposing needs, others have clunky batch scheduling, and most lack an integrated content calendar solution. The true strength of Vizard is automating the difficult clip selection and the cross-platform scheduling piece automatically. It doesn't replace Canva for polished visuals, but it drastically accelerates the entire repurpose and publish cycle for you. If you employ a virtual assistant, this becomes a rock-solid, replicable system that saves you immense time on repetitive tasks. Your VA uploads the long video to Vizard, lets it auto-edit clips, exports the frames, and then opens a shared Canva folder to populate your templates. Standardize your branded colors, fonts, and layout within those templates so every single thumbnail is consistent and quick to produce. Here are a couple of micro tips I use constantly. Stick to only 2 branded colors, plus 1 high-contrast accent color to avoid visual noise. Test a couple of different facial expressions per video, because a subtle change, like a bigger smile, can genuinely lift your click-through rate. Always keep your on-thumbnail text under 5 words. The main YouTube title provides context, but the thumbnail's sole job is the initial hook. Batch the creation process by duplicating your successful layout page in Canva for every clip from Vizard, only swapping the frame and headline quickly. Before you click away, download your free guide via the link below to master the 3 necessary steps for social media marketing success. This guide includes the simple checklist for turning one long video into an ongoing stream of shorts, thumbnails, and social posts automatically. If this walkthrough was helpful, please subscribe, ring that bell so you never miss a post, and smash the like button to encourage more tactical videos. If you want a tutorial on a specific area, like batching thumbnails in Canva or Vizard scheduling features, drop a request in the comments section. I read those comments and select future video ideas based on what you all actually need help with right now. Thank you so much for being here with me today as we streamline this entire process. Create those powerful thumbnails that stop the scroll. Utilize smart tools like Vizard to save time. And build a repeatable system for consistent growth. I will see you in the next video where we tackle another practical marketing challenge together.